Now this Phantom wallet holds around $5.7 million, all made from deving meme coins on repeat. Not by trading, not by sniping, just a pure strategy that prints. Stay with me and I'll show you exactly how it's done right now. Just a couple months ago, I was broke and I used to trade meme coins every single day. I was literally depressed because every single time I bought into a new coin, which I thought I was early, well, I got completely dumped on. I was just exit liquidity for the dev of the coin. And that's exactly when I realized the people winning are not traders. They're actually the devs. Because when you become a dev, you decide everything. You create the supply, the liquidity, and the hype. You are not gambling, okay? You are just creating, waiting for buyers, and then dumping at the perfect moment whenever you want money. You lose absolutely nothing because it's your coin. You are the one who is orchestrating it. It's all yours. But if you keep trading, you are just buying, and then losing. And right now, Bitcoin is flying and Solana is currently at above $210. There's no better time to start launching than right now. Make sure to keep watching. And by the way, this video is for educational purposes only. I am not a financial advisor and everything into this video was made with AI, so it's all fake. Now, most people usually go to Pump.Fun to launch meme coins because most people think that this website is the best platform to dev meme coins. But that's completely wrong because Pump.Fun in reality is oversaturated. Too many coins, too many live streams, and not enough eyes. Your token gets instantly buried. If you launch a meme coin right now, you will not get any buyers and you don't even control your own liquidity. That's the worst part about it. On top of that, your coin has to reach a $75,000 to $85,000 market cap for it to even graduate on the Radium Dex. That's the worst part, bro, because you have no possible chance to make money. But on Create token.Io though, it's completely different because all your coins are instantly launched straight to Radium. It's immediately graduated on the Radium Dex and is tradable right away. That means you skip the noise and launch with full visibility and full control. So Create token.Io is the fucking move. Now on Create token.Io, you've got two clean options to possibly dev a meme coin. The first option is obviously to make one from scratch, so pick your theme. Go on X first of all, go on Instagram, TikTok, right, and look for something trending to possibly make a coin out of, right? For example, during there's a bunch of different narratives that you could find. I'm not too sure what, but like, for example, Barron Trump becomes the richest 19-year-old in the world. That could be good for a narrative, right? You just quickly take a screenshot, come back to Create tokens.Io, invent a name, add a symbol, then add the screenshot for the meme coin logo, and just like that, your coin is custom made after a couple steps. But the second option, that's my favorite method because it's the one that makes the most amounts of money really fast, and that's the copy trending coins tab. Now these are all trending on Pump.Fun. All these coins here are already going viral and they're all proven coins. All you have to do is just copy them and it will launch directly onto Radium, and since the attention's already in these coins, you'll get instant buyers and faster profits. It's a cheat code, bro. Copying coins is a fucking cheat code. You guys will see. Okay, enough waiting. I'm launching this token right now so you can see how quick and smooth it really is to dev a meme coin and make some money. So first of all, make sure you have your Phantom wallet connected. If you do not have Phantom, well, you are fucking, I don't know what the fuck you're doing, but yeah, just connected. Click on refresh list and let's look for a coin to copy. Now all of these coins are all fresh out of the oven. I'm gonna go with the BEB coin. Actually, no. I'm gonna go with the BEB coin. It has a Telegram group. Let's see if it's real. Yes, sir. 17 subs. That's not bad. It has 14 replies and a $25,000 market cap. So click on create coin. After that, ignore the block warning from Phantom. It's completely normal. Just proceed, confirm, click this button, confirm, and then the coin should be created shortly in a couple seconds. And boom, if I go on SoScan, it should be minted on the Solana blockchain. Yes, sir, it is minted. And yeah, now it's time to create the liquidity pool. Now this page is simple. We're just creating and adding liquidity so your token becomes fully tradable on Radium right here. Buyers can jump in instantly once it's live. It's the sweet sauce of this platform. Now for the amount token A, just click the 90% button. That's gonna drop 900 million tokens into the liquidity pool. Right under is for the amount token B. Think of it as your first seed buy. It's the first entry that sets your pool. You're not losing any funds here. They're just locked in temporarily. The minimum is 0.3 SOL, and when you close the pool later, that SOL will come right back straight into your Phantom wallet. That's exactly why you are the dev, because you have nothing to lose, right? I'm gonna put 0.35 SOL, just just a bit more to be safe. Make sure you have enough, and then click on create pool. After that, click on confirm. When that's done, click on refresh right under here, and if you scroll down, boom, your P&L is at $0. You guys can see that the BNB coin is on live. Click on the refresh button, and now we're up $200 because people are now buying our coin on the migrate section. Anyways, click on view on Photon to see the official chart. If you want to see the chart on Axiom, you can do so by copying here and then putting it right here, or on NeoBullX, whatever the fuck you want. Now let me go on full screen real quick. Oh my god, bro, what the fuck, it's pumping. Okay, now it's time to dump the coin. Actually, no, I'm gonna give this coin more time for the pump. It's a joke, I'm just edging. Come on, 1.5k in market cap. We're already up a couple $100. Let's go, 80 bucks. Oh, yo, I'm so happy right now. Oh my god, come on, go higher, bro, go higher. It's actually insane. Now, the coin and the chart might look funky, but after a couple minutes, it is going to look more natural. It is going to go higher and higher and higher because more and more people are going to start seeing the coin. Oh my god, bro. I want to dump the coin so badly, bro. Oh my god, it's pumping. Yo, oh my god, come on, go higher. Yes, bro, I love this. Now guys, do not be emotional like me, okay? Just just let it ride, okay? And yeah, bro, now I'm gonna be right back. When I am back, we are going to make some money. Okay guys, I'm back. We are pushing $5,000. It's so fucking bullish. It's just going up and up and up. Oh, now it's wicking. I think it's time to make some money. So if you want to make some money, come back to create tokens.io real quick, and then click on the refresh button right here. And as you guys can see, we are up $2,000 with a 4.2k market cap. Now before it goes even down here, click on the mouse button, do 100% if you want, or something else, and then click on the red button. Let's see what happens. And now as you guys can see, I'm going to receive 8 SOL. Click on confirm, and boom! That's exactly how you dev Memecoins and make some money. It's so easy, bro. Now if I open my Phantom wallet for proof, boom, $2,000 straight inside my Phantom wallet. It's all real, bro. Like, look, bro, I just received it. Like, boom, it's all real.